Hello my friends, and welcome back to another video here on Rebel Trading, where I will show you how to take your day trading to the next level. So in today's video, I have a trading strategy that I'm going to be featuring on the 1 hour time frame. I tried it out a little bit on the other time frames as well, but it seems to work quite well on the 1 hour. I'm also going to be using the Euro US dollar trade pair since I am a Forex trader, but this strategy is useful for stocks, crypto, and Forex. And be sure to watch to the very end of the video, and I will show you how to set up alerts for the strategy so that you don't have to be staring at the charts all day. As always, everything that's going to be mentioned in today's video is completely free, found on Tradingview.com. So after we have Tradingview pulled up, the very first thing we're going to do is go up to indicators. The very first indicator that we're going to use is the MACD. Once we have the MACD pulled up, we're not going to change the settings at all. We're just going to leave it how it is. The next indicator that we're going to use is the EMA. Go over to settings. I'm going to change the length of the EMA to 100, and I also switch the colors on it and make it more visible as well. Feel free to customize it to your preference. At this point, your chart should look something similar to this. If you guys have found value so far, I'd greatly appreciate it if you would click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel. All right, so now for the strategy. For a long, what we're going to be looking for is for the price action to come above the 100 EMA. This indicates that the trend is bullish. The second thing that we're going to look for is for the MACD to cross over into the green territory. That's it. Once these conditions have been met, we're going to take our first long position. So for the stop loss, I usually put it a few points below the most recent swing low. I try to keep my risk reward ratio around the 1.5 level, but I do take profit on the way up, especially at the 1 risk reward ratio. I also typically move my stop loss up after I've taken profits so that the trade doesn't go south. One thing to look out for, if the candle does not close above the 100 EMA, I would not recommend taking the trade. I also would not recommend it if there are long wicks on the candles. This represents high volatility in the market, and I would not recommend trading at all if this is present. As we can see right here, we have our second long trade. It's above the 100 EMA. The MACD is crossed over into the green territory. So we're going to take our next long position, stick the stop loss down the most recent swing low, keep it at a 1.5 risk reward ratio. As we can see, we have another profitable trade. And soon after that, we have another profitable trade along right here. Stop loss by the most recent swing low, 1.5 risk reward ratio. All right, so now for the short positions. What we're going to be looking for is the price action to trade below the 100 EMA and to see a red candle close. We're also going to wait until the MACD crosses over into the red territory. After these conditions have been met, we're going to take our first short position. So for the short position, open our short right here, put it by the most recent swing high, a few points above it, risk reward ratio to 1.5. And as we can see, we have another profitable trade. Again, I usually take profits on the way down, especially at the 1 risk reward ratio. At that point, I usually move the stop loss down as well. But yeah, I thought this was a pretty interesting, very basic strategy, very useful for beginners. I highly recommend it for beginners actually, just for its sheer simplicity of the trades. Feel free to try it out on different types of time frames and let me know in the comments section what you think about it. All right, as promised, I will show you guys how to set up alerts for the strategy so that you don't have to look at the charts all the time. What we're going to do is we're going to go down here to the MACD, right click, and click on Add Alert, MACD, once per bar close. After that, make sure it's on crossing. And at that point, you will have alerts set up whenever the MACD crosses into the oversold or overbought territory. So yeah, that was all for today's video. I'd greatly appreciate it if you guys would click on the like button if you found value out of today's video. And also be sure to subscribe to the channel. I upload videos almost on a daily basis. And as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be showing my free Telegram channel where you guys can see all the trades that I make on a regular basis. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day.